What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Hammer. Welcome to Hammer on Tuesday. All right, man. Got a good one for you today. Yeah, it's cold out here. It's in the 40s. Yeah, and your boy got on his Dainese gear. And I'm going to show you a picture of all that. But anyway, this ride is going to be a 2-hour ride, maybe a little bit longer. So I'm going to break it up in parts. So this is the first part. And, hey, man, enjoy. So let's get Platinum started so we can get up out of here.
Yes, sir. All right, Platinum's ready. Your boy ready. Let's get it. What's going on, everybody? Look at this weather out here today. It is gloomy, it's cold, and I gotta let some heat get in these tires. But this road is cold, so you all know the deal in that. Can't be riding like it's summertime. But yeah, we're on our way to National Harbor in Maryland. We're gonna meet up with the crew. And we're supposed to be kickstands up around 9:30, 10. So we'll see. It's actually 9:07. I should be about 30 minutes away. Y'all gotta let me know if you like these camera settings. I've been messing with the camera settings again. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I done turned something off because I can't tell if I'm actually recording. I know that the voice is coming through, so hopefully this is coming through. But it's a gloomy day. They said there was a possibility of rain. So we'll see. But I was down to ride when it's cold because your boy invested in this Dainese Mastercard 3 Gore-Tex winter gear. So we're gonna test it out today because the ride's gonna be a nice long one. I don't have my shirt on, and of course they were reviewing it. Said, yeah, you could wear a t-shirt. No. Not doing that. But when I tell you all I'm hot right now, can we move? Oh my gosh. And of course I'm sniffling a little bit. Still loving the dash. Still haven't learned how to work everything. People see you riding like, man, that dude crazy, this cold as crap. I got my heated grips on. I got everything on low right now except my shirt. I don't even have that on. Alright, let's get in the wind. And y'all know the deal, man. Enjoy the ride. I can tell you about riding when it's winter time. Yeah, that's just a different whole beast altogether. And did I mention we might be expecting some rain? Hampton Grad right there. All right. So I started not to wear some of this heated gear. And so, you know what, let me just put on a t-shirt and I wouldn't advise doing any of that. And I might need to get my dash calibrated. I haven't even checked my speed out or anything. Oh my gosh, what is all this traffic? There was no traffic. Now all of a sudden, we got a bunch of traffic. Like, what in the world? Well, I'm not going to bore you all with all these particulars, but so let's get through the traffic so we can get to National Harbor. Now, I hate riding behind trucks like that with the ladder. So I've got to get past that. Let's see if we can get to this National Harbor. Pick up some time. Oh snap! My man T came up. He wasn't supposed to be around today, so I don't know what happened. I'm like, what are you doing out here riding? Unless he made a quick run. Because he was like, shoot, I'm jumping on too. I mean, we'll play by you all day as usual. Oh man, Bird got me again. I slipped my hump. Getting in some surf time. These Michelin Power 6s, man, they are moving. Alright, so we're almost at Pennsylvania Avenue, so we're getting close. Make sure you use all the signals. group, and we're like 3 minutes late, and they're real on time check. Oh, we gotta be 11. But as you can see, we know the directions, we have it. We'll catch up with them. Yeah, that ride was so fun. It was almost like, okay, video over. Oh yeah. Alright. Yes, sir. What's up, man? What's good, bro? What's up, man? What's up? Doing good, bro. Got Adrian out here. Oh, hell. What's up, bro?
I think you got the top notch gear on, bro.
Man, I'm trying to keep warm, bro.
Alright, y'all, so this gonna be part 1 of the video. As you can see, yeah, the bikers are out, man. We got Cowies, Ducatis, Zooks, of course, you know what I'm saying? Got Yamaha. Yeah, man. Man, quick over there filling up. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. So y'all got to see a little bit of two-wheel surfing. But yeah, so stay tuned for the next part. Hey, the ride. So see you soon.
So my man Dave is gassing up. So we got J-Dub on the Kawasaki. Man, G, he's not riding today. He just met us up here, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, check out the Ducati. My boy Adrian on the Ducati. Got Justin. Got Chaz on the Cowie. Got E. Lindsay on the 750. My man Murph organized this on the MT1000. My man Dave on the Ducati. What's up, man? What's good, bro? And my man Quick on the 1000 today. So, yeah, man, we about to surf. So, let's get to it.